We are going to continue on with our math lesson, kindergarten level. And as you may have noticed in the part 1 video, these were some methods, strategies, and things that we use in the introduction of math, the introduction of counting, the introduction of numbers. So I'm going to continue on because we only talked about some of the beginning steps, concepts, and we began counting. And now we are going to go ahead and discuss these other ways of counting. And if you want to go ahead and pause the video and jot this down, some of the things are skip counting, more than, less than, odd and even numbers, different languages in counting, Roman numerals, number words, an intro to word problems or problem solving. So let's begin with skip counting. I have the numbers here, 1 to 50, and if you remember in our counting, these are the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. There is a whole lot of counting. You're saying every single number, and it could be tiring. If you haven't noticed, I was running out of breath. So, therefore, we try a strategy or method we call skip counting, where it helps you get to the number that you're looking for a lot faster. If I wanted to count to 50, you don't have to count 1 through 50. You can use methods to get there faster using any of these numbers pretty much. You can count by ones, which is every one number over, which is every single number. We can count by twos, which means every 2 numbers. Count by threes, every 3 numbers. Count by fours, every 4 numbers. Count by fives, every 5 numbers, and so on. All the way up to, if you count by 10, every 10 numbers, and every 50. In counting by ones, we know what that is. And counting by twos is very common. So 2 would be whatever number you're counting by, that would be the first number. 2 would be the first number. So 2 over from that would be 4. So if we're counting by twos, we'll say 2, we'll skip 3, and then count 4, skip 5, 2 more over would be 6. We'll say 6, we'll skip 7, and then 1, 2 over from 6 would be 8. We'll say 8. 2 over from 8 will be 10. And we'll say 10. So if I say count to 10 by ones, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I say count to 10 by twos, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? We can get there to 50 a lot faster counting by twos than counting by ones, and so on. We'll get there even faster probably if we count by threes or fives to 50. Okay? So, if we count by threes, we would start at 3. 3, and then go 3 over. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 9. We would say 3, 6, 9. We would say 3, skip 4 and 5, 6, skip 7 and 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. If we keep going, skip 10, 11, 12. Skip 13, 14, 15. Skip 16, 17, 18. Okay? If I say count to 20, it doesn't stop on 20. It will only stop up to 18. Counting by threes would skip 19 and 20 and be 21. Okay? skip 22 and 3, 24, skip 25 and 6, because you're skipping 1, 2. The third one is 27, 1, 2. The third one is 30. Okay? So, would it land on 50? Skip, skip, 33, skip, skip, 36, skip, skip, 39, skip, skip, 42, skip, skip, 45, skip, skip, 48, skip, skip. It would not stop on 50, but it would stop on 51. We'll get into numbers stopping on a certain number soon. If we count by 4s, we would start at 4 and skip 3 numbers, and we would land on the 4th number. Start at 4, skip 1, 2, 3. The next 4th number is 8. Skip 1, 2, 3. The 4th number is 12. Skip 1, 2, 3. The 4th number is 16. Skip 1, 2, 3. The 4th number is 20. 1, 2, 3. 24. 1, 2, 3. The 4th number is 28. 1, 2, 3. The 4th number is 32. 1, 2, 3. 4th number is 36. 1, 2, 3. The 4th number is 40. 1, 2, 3. 44. 1, 2, 3. 48. It won't stop on 50, but 48 is the closest that it can get to 50. So, but if we keep on going, we won't be able to count to 50, but we can stop at 48 by 4s. And then after 49 and 50, we'll skip 51, because those are skipping 2 numbers. 51 will be the 3rd number, and then 52 would be the 4th number. So 48 and then 52. Assuming that we are counting further than 50, maybe up to 60 or 80 or, I don't know, 100. One of the easiest skip counting numbers, other than by 1s, is by 2s. Another one, 3 and 4 may be a little challenging, and even 6, 7, 8, and 9. But counting by 1s, counting by 2s, 5s. Another one is 10. Those may be the 2, maybe common, definitely probably voted most easiest skip counting numbers. Counting by 5s, it's like a rhythm. It's something you can't really forget once you get the hang of it. Every 5th number, you're starting at 5, and then every 5 numbers. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is 10. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is 15. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is 20. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th one is 25. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 35. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. Every line of numbers, there's 10 numbers. From a number with a 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th one has a 0 on the end, and they all have something in common with that. And then they are also listed in order just like these top numbers, 1 through 9. They have a 1 in front of it, and then after the 9th number, it starts over, have a 2 in front of it, a 3 and 4 and a 5. That starts the new order of numbers. That 40 starts the new row of 4s. The 30 starts a new row of 3s. The 20 starts a new row of 2s. So, when you count by 5s, if you haven't noticed the pattern, it starts with 5 and it lands on a number with the 5, only in the 5th row. And then on this side, it ends on a number in the 10 spot, a number with the 0 on the end. So it just goes back and forth. A 5, a 10, a 5, a 10, a 5, a 10, because it's the first 5 numbers, the 5th number, and then 5 numbers after that, and so on. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. There's a rhythm. It's the something 5 and then 0. Something 5 and then 0. You can keep going. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. You can get to 100 really fast using the 5s. But guess what? You can get there even faster with the 10s. Because with the 10s, you are only saying the numbers in the 10th row. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 51 and gets all the way to 59, that next number is 60. Plus, another way to tell, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number after 5 is 6. So after 50, it'll be 60. And then 70, and then 80, and then 90. After 90, okay, of course, we would have a row of 91 to 99, and then 100. So after 90 is 100. So that would be every 10. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's counting every 10th number. And then after 100, there's 10 more. You're skipping the 9, the 10th number after 100. Of course, it would have started over to 101. It would be, after 100, it would be 110. 10 numbers after that, 120, 130, 140, 150, and so on and so on. You can get to 1,000 awfully fast, I'll tell you that. Definitely can get to 100 very quick. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So 5 and 10 is the really coolest to use when it comes to skip counting. In skip counting, you can start with any number that you want, listed or not. You can count by 6s and just start with that number that you're starting with or counting by, and then skip 5 numbers and just say that 6th number over. From 6, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. From there it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18. Okay? So you'll just skip that many numbers. If you start with counting by 7s, start with 7. 7 numbers over would be 14. 7, 14, 21, and then 28. Okay? So that is good to know how to skip count. It's cool to remember these numbers in order. I'm counting by 7. What's the order? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Just try to count each number, the highest that you can. That way, you can use those skip counting methods later in math. And we will discuss that soon. Counting by 100, you can count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 8, 9, and 1,000, which is 1,000. So skip counting is very cool. It helps you get the job done a lot faster. Pick a number and count as far up as possible. I'll say starting from 2s, if you know how to count already by 1s. Start from 2s and just try to see how far you can go on with that. That is very simple though. I would try to learn the more challenging numbers, like counting by 3s, as far as you can do it in your head, and try to say it as fast as possible. Counting by 4s, 6s, 7, 8s, and 9s. Maybe even 11, 12s, and 13s. Once again, please comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. Let me know what is your favorite number to skip count by. What is the highest that you can skip count with in your head, counting by 19s or something that's pretty challenging. That'd be cool to know. Please, as usual, comment, like, share, subscribe. I would love that. Thank you so much for joining. Hope to see you soon.